Wishing you a great morning, my loving students. May the day bring you new opportunities and your dreams be realized. So, welcome again in GK class with Ojashwini. And today's topic is chapter 3rd Unusual Animals. But before starting the chapter, I want to tell something that students who have not yet purchased books and notebooks carefully look at the picture of the related chapter posted by me in the group and use it. Now, study the chapter before and after the online classes. Do your classwork in GK book and homework in GK notebook. Do classwork and homework in good, clean, and readable handwriting with correct spellings. All headings and main one word answer write with black pen. So, start our today's topic. Scientists have estimated that there are 8.7 million animal species on the earth. Some of these are fierce, like lions, sharks, tigers, and some are adorable, like deers, rabbits, otters. Otters means a kind of carnivorous mammal. In Hindi, ood bila. And others are really weird. Across the globe, you will find animals that exhibit truly remarkable and bizarre features and behaviors. From a dog that shows off its organ to a goat that faints when scared. Here are 8 unusual animals in the chapter 3 Unusual Animals. Number 1. It is completely blind. It has an extraordinary sense of using chemical and electrical signals in its brain, sent by the receptors in its body. And name of this unusual animal is Om. Yeah, I know here it is written OLM, but the correct pronunciation is Om, not Olm. The next one is this strange animal has a snake like front. In your book, only its front is shown. It has the ability to change colors. It is found in Britain and Ireland. Name of this unusual animal is snake caterpillar. But in this picture, you can see its complete body. The next is it has 3 hearts and a beak like parrot. It produces poisonous saliva. It also has the ability to change its color. It is found on the seabed. Seabed means the last layer under the sea. Name of this unusual animal is blanket octopus. In this video, I show you the 2 pictures. The second picture is already given in your book, and the first picture you can see how it floats underwater. Next is this lazy fish found in Australia. It looks like a seaweed. And name of this unusual animal is leafy sea dragon. The next is it looks like a decaying leaf. It is found in Madagascar. And name of this unusual animal is satanic leaf-tailed gecko. See, this unusual animal, the satanic leaf-tailed gecko is really very, we can say dangerous. Why? Because nobody can recognize it because it is looking like a decaying or dry leaf. The next is it has a very long neck that supports its jaws having poisonous fang. And name of this unusual animal is assassin spider. And in this video you can see 2 pictures of this spider. The second one it is already given in your book, and the first picture is taken from the front. So you can see how it looks like from the front side. The next is, this animal has transparent skin, so we can see its intestine, heart, and liver clearly. It is found in America. The second picture is given in your book, and the first picture in this video class. You can see that from inside or from the opposite side, it is looking like white transparent, and from the front face, this frog is looking like green, yellow dotted green frog, transparent. And name of this frog is glass frog. Next is, it has hair that look like wings. It is colorblind and spends whole life in darkness. And name of this unusual animal is hairy crab. Okay, so chapter 3 unusual animal is finished, but your work is not in. Now you have to again study chapter 3, then complete your classwork in GK book in good, clean, readable handwriting with correct spellings. After that, you will complete your homework in GK notebook. So your homework is, draw and color any two unusual animal from the following chapter. I hope that everybody like this drawing and also enjoying this drawing. So thank you. Have a nice day.